Hello Techie friends, welcome to Techie-Cook Diaries. In this video I am discussing about Playwright installation and setup. Let's see what prerequisites are required for this.
First we need Node.js, uh, and for that first we need to check in our machine in the terminal Node.js is installed in our machine or not. Let's see first. So for that we have to use node hyphen space hyphen v node version we are checking. If it is node is installed in our machine, it will display the version number. Along with this we need to check npm also. For that npm hyphen space hyphen v. If it is npm in also when we install node.js, automatically will download the npm also, install the npm all too. So npm also available for this node version. So if in case in your machine node is not installed, so for that we have to go to node.js site. Node.js, we have to download the node.js. So if it is your Windows machine, you can install this Windows installer as per the configuration, either it is 32-bit or 64-bit. So as per that, we can install the download file. Suppose if it is your machine is Linux based and Mac OS, if it is your machine is Linux, you can download the 64-bit and you can install in your machine. If it is Mac OS related, we can install Mac OS installer. So the and along with this npm also it will be installed in your machine. So once you install, just cross verify so the versions are returning or not once installed successfully. And the next step is we have to install VS Code to use as a IDE. So VS Code we have to download and we have to install it. So for that, so here we can download the Visual Studio Code IDE. If it is your Windows machine, you can download Windows machine and you can install it. If it is Linux based, you can download as per the your machine configuration. Likewise, Mac OS also. And coming to installation part, we can install Playwright two ways. So first we can install the Playwright using npm package from the Node.js npm package. And second one is we can install the Playwright using VS Code extension. First we will see about the install Playwright from the npm package. So for that, first we create a one folder in folder for the project setup in the Windows Explorer. So for that, first I'm creating one folder. Here I'm giving as a test folder name. I'm giving some sample demo name. So once created this one, we have to open the VS Code. If it is installed successfully or VS Code, it will display from the Windows bar. We can search VS Code. It will display with the icon and we can open from that. So from here, we can open the folder this way. Otherwise, we can open the folder from the files section. This is the one process. And second step, we can drag it to VS Code. See, the Playwright test demo has placed here. Here it will ask one pop-up to trust the others of files, the parent folder Playwright. So here we can click on yes. And from here we can open the terminal. We can install, we can give the commands from, I'm using from the VS Code terminal because this is very easy to give commands and install. So here we are giving the installation command to install the Playwright. So for that, npm init Playwright at the latest. It will download the latest version of the Playwright if we give this latest. Otherwise, if you want to use any version, specifically, we can give this instead of latest, we can give the version number. So once we hit the enter, it will ask some set of questions. So we have to provide appropriate inputs. So here asking the what type of programming language we have to use. So here it displaying two options, TypeScript and JavaScript. By default, it will show as the TypeScript. If we give enter, it will take it as TypeScript. Otherwise, we have to use down arrow to shift to JavaScript. Here I'm using TypeScript, so I'm giving enter to TypeScript. And after that, it is asking end-to-end test where you have to put this. So for that, it is creating one test folder. So if it is okay, we can give enter. And here GitHub Actions workflow. If we want to run the CI/CD setup, and so if we give true, it will set up the file to run easily from CI/CD. So for that, we have to give letter as Y. If we give Y, it will take it as true and it will go to next step. And here it is asking install Playwright browsers, so can be done manually. So it is going to install. So if we give Y enter, it will start the installation. So it started. We can see left side the package.json it's created, and node modules libraries are stored in this node modules, and package log JSON. So it's downloading browsers here.